I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the gas. What's going on? This is Louis, aka Komatata for my gaming peoples, and we are gonna do part 2 of what I started last week. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm gonna link the video in the description. So the plan today is clean the sensor for my gas gauge, because my gas gauge here is off right now. That thing is not marking the proper fuel level, and from what I get from other people on many complaints and many videos on this, it's a common thing on a G35. So I want to clean that because I really don't want to get stranded somewhere. So what basically you do is, and don't mind the mess in the back here, is that you clean what is there and what's under there too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up the seats, and hopefully I don't find no contraband under those seats. Now, do you think I'm gonna find something weird under those seats in the back there? Okay, so here are the back view. I hope you guys like the view. I try to make it so you guys can see what I'm doing. So the point that I saw online was just to flip this thing up here, and then we're gonna see the fuel tank right under here. We're gonna clean the sensor thingies. No freaking way. So we have more contraband here. So for whoever guessed yes, we will find more contraband, and you were right. There was more. Jesus Christ. And more cat hair or dog hair just spill over here again. So I have to clean this crap again. I don't know why in the world were the previous owner or owners using SAE on an Infiniti, because they use metric. So what we got here, we have more little stuff, but this, I don't know. This seems like the same stuff that was in the trunk. That seems, I think it says I2 or K2. This is the bad one, I think. That's not good. Okay, so here we have a pre-check right here. I guess I could show this. This is like a pre-check of a car, and this is an oil change. I don't know if you guys can see that. It was done at 158,000 miles. So yeah, this is what I found. I'm gonna take this stuff off now, and then I'm gonna clean it up with the vacuum and see if I can find more stuff. I still see more stuff like this, more pills. I think this is the bad one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of antibacterial here, because I did have some pills, and if I get pulled over for some reason and there's a canine, I don't want the canine to be confused with drugs. I don't know if it's legal or not, but just in case, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this so it could clean up around here. Okay, so we're gonna start working on this. I'm gonna turn off that beeping so I don't have the ignition on. I'm gonna try to get in here. Ow! This is really uncomfortable, man. Woo! Look at that! Wow. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Seems like rats. Like a rat nest. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the filter right. Oh, let's see if I can see it. That's how it is. I'm sorry for the shakiness, but I'm in an awkward position. Here is the result. This is how it looks now. Thank goodness. There was almost no pressure. That one just tripped on me, so let me get the socket. Okay, so that bolt is supposed to be a size 8. Okay, so there is the filter. You guys can see it. Okay, so here is the result for that. Okay, so that's it. Everything's connected back up. I think everything's working properly. I'm not too sure about this side because I had trouble twisting it. So I don't know if the float is stuck between the wire that was there. It's quite difficult to get that wire, but I'm gonna test it out. If it's working, then good. If it's stuck on full or something, then I know the float is stuck. Okay guys, so I pumped the gas pump about 2-3 times. Of course a car has to pass by at the same time. 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna do it one more time and then I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, everything seems normal. I could hear the gas going through. I don't smell no gas, so that means it's sealed properly. So that's a great success.
A great success.
See? I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the gas. Nice. I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the gas level while I'm using it, because you know right now it's reading it goes up. I know I have a lot of gas because I filled it up last time and I barely use this car, so I know I'm supposed to have good fuel. So right now it's reading good fuel, and yeah, and let me show you guys the little update in the back. So I cleaned that stuff up a little bit in that seat so it could look a little bit better, but in the back the stain from the gas stayed there. I don't know why. If you guys could tell me why, that would be awesome. I'm just curious. I just wanted to disinfect it, and yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, because I tell YouTube that I'm doing a great job and you don't want to miss any content, especially with this G35 that's going to be soon to be the Vader. And I'm going to do so much things with that Vader, you guys are not going to want to miss it. This is como estará. Peace.